This is Lina, and I'll be preparing a booster milk lactation booster drink that I always make for myself. So this is the red date longan tea. So I have about three-quarter cup of red dates, 3/4 cups of dried longan, the golden one, and about 1/8 of a cup of goji berries. And then we just put everything together in the slow cooker, and we put it on a high until the longan is tasteless. And once it cools down, I usually put it into my tumblers and keep it in the fridge and just drink it as and when I feel like it. So let's do it. Goji berries, longan, that's red dates, longan, and we're going to fill it up with water. Ta-da!